In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Tinkercad link the right way, whether you want someone to simply view your project, collaborate with you on a design, or access a circuit simulation. This is a super useful skill if you're working on school projects, sharing designs with classmates, or posting your work online. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which share option to use and how to copy the correct link in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at sharing a Tinkercad project for viewing. This is the best option if you want someone to open your design and see it without making changes. To do that, go to your Tinkercad dashboard by clicking the Tinkercad logo in the top left corner. Once you're on the dashboard, find the project you want to share. Hover over the design thumbnail and then click the gear icon in the top right corner of that project card. This opens the project settings. Now look for the privacy setting. If your project is set to private, change it to public. This step is important because a private project won't generate a shareable public link for other people to view. After selecting public, scroll down and click Save Changes. Tinkercad will update the project permissions, and now your design can be shared more easily. Next, click on the project thumbnail again. A window should appear with a link field. This is the shareable URL for your public project. Simply copy that link and send it by email, message, or post it wherever you need. Anyone with that link can open the project and view it in their browser. That makes it a simple way to show off your design without giving editing access. Now let's move on to sharing for collaboration. If you want another person to help build or edit the same design with you, you should use the Send To feature instead of the public view link. To get started, open your project by clicking Tinker This. That takes you into the design editor, where you can work on the model directly. Once you're inside the editor, go to the top right toolbar and click Send To. This button usually looks like a square with an upward arrow, and it's the tool Tinkercad uses for sharing and inviting others. When the Send To window opens, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Invite People. Then select Create Link. Tinkercad will generate a collaboration link that you can copy and share with your friend, teammate, or class partner. This type of link is perfect when you want someone to jump into the same workspace and actively participate in the design process. Just keep in mind that this invite link does expire after 14 days or after 50 people have used it. So if the link stops working later, you'll need to generate a new one. That's completely normal, and it's just part of Tinkercad's sharing security. Now, if you're working in Tinkercad circuits, the sharing process is a little different. When you want someone to view your circuit simulation or code, click the Share button in the top right corner of the circuit editor. From there, you can choose Snapshot if you want to download an image of the circuit. This is helpful if you only need to show the setup visually. But if you want someone else to run the simulation themselves, use the Invite People link at the bottom of the sharing options. That lets them open the circuit and interact with it directly. So depending on whether you need a picture or an interactive simulation, you can choose the best sharing method for your circuit project. So to quickly recap, use a public link for viewing, use Send To and Invite People for collaboration, and use the share options in circuits if you're sharing a simulation or code. Once you understand these three methods, sharing your Tinkercad work becomes much easier and much faster. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Tinkercad tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.